Finding the perfect eyeliner can be a game changer for your makeup routine. Whether you want a sharp wing, a sultry smoky eye, or a natural look, the right eyeliner makes all the difference. With so many options on the market, we've narrowed it down to the top 5 eyeliners that offer precision, longevity, and ease of use. Let's explore the best picks to enhance your eyes and simplify your makeup game. Kicking off our list at number 1, Stila Stay All Day Waterproof. The Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner is a favorite among beauty enthusiasts for its unmatched staying power and precision. Known for delivering sharp lines and effortless application, it's a must-have for achieving a professional look. Key features: this eyeliner features a fine marker-like tip that provides ultimate control for both thin and bold lines. Its waterproof formula ensures it won't smudge or fade, even on long days or humid occasions. Available in a variety of colors, it offers versatility for different looks. Benefits and usage: perfect for creating sharp cat eyes or subtle enhancements, this liner dries quickly to prevent transfer. Glide the tip along your lash line for a seamless application. Its intense pigmentation guarantees rich, opaque color in a single swipe. Usability: the ergonomic design makes it easy to grip and maneuver, even for beginners. The tip retains its shape, ensuring consistent performance every time you use it. It's ideal for all eye shapes and skill levels. Durability: true to its name, this eyeliner stays all day. It resists water, sweat, and tears, making it perfect for all-day wear or special events. A reliable choice for anyone seeking long-lasting results. In the second spot, we have Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. The Kat Von D Tattoo Liner is a cult favorite renowned for its ultra-precise brush tip and enduring formula. Designed for artistry, it's a top pick for makeup lovers who value precision and creativity. Key features: this eyeliner features a superfine brush tip with flexible bristles for ultimate control and precision. The highly pigmented formula delivers intense color that dries quickly and lasts all day. It's vegan and cruelty-free, catering to conscious consumers. Benefits and usage: ideal for intricate designs or classic looks, the tattoo liner glides smoothly for effortless application. Use it to create anything from delicate lines to dramatic wings. Its smudge-proof finish ensures your look stays intact all day. Usability: the flexible brush tip adapts to your hand's pressure, allowing you to adjust the thickness of your lines. The sleek packaging and lightweight design make it easy to handle, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Durability: this eyeliner is built to last, withstanding water, sweat, and even oily lids. It holds up through long workdays, outdoor events, or a night out, ensuring your makeup remains flawless. Coming in at number 3 is the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel. The Maybelline Eye Studio Gel eyeliner combines the intensity of a gel formula with the convenience of a compact pot. Known for its affordability and performance, it's a staple for bold and versatile eye looks. Key features: this gel eyeliner delivers rich, long-lasting color in a smudge-proof formula. The product comes with a precision brush, allowing you to create sharp lines or smoky effects. Its creamy texture ensures smooth application. Benefits and usage: perfect for creating dramatic looks, this eyeliner is highly versatile. Use the included brush to apply a thin line for subtle definition or a thicker stroke for bold drama. It's also excellent for tight lining. Usability: the formula glides on effortlessly, making it easy to achieve professional results. The brush design ensures precise application, while the compact pot is travel-friendly. It's suitable for all skill levels. Durability: this eyeliner offers up to 24 hours of wear without smudging or fading. Its waterproof formula holds up against sweat and tears, making it an excellent choice for long days or special occasions. Taking our 4th spot is NYX Epic Ink Liner. The NYX Epic Ink Liner is a drugstore favorite that rivals high-end alternatives. Known for its intense pigmentation and smooth application, it's a must-try for anyone seeking an affordable yet effective eyeliner. Key features: this eyeliner features a flexible brush tip that allows for precision and control. The waterproof formula delivers rich, opaque color that lasts all day without smudging. It's cruelty-free, catering to ethical beauty enthusiasts. Benefits and usage. Whether you're going for subtle definition or a bold wing, this liner has you covered. Glide the brush tip along your lash line for a flawless finish. Its intense color payoff ensures vibrant results with minimal effort. Usability, lightweight and easy to maneuver, the Epic Ink Liner is beginner-friendly while still offering professional-level results. The brush tip maintains its shape, making it ideal for intricate designs and precise lines. Durability, the waterproof formula ensures your eyeliner stays put throughout the day. It resists smudging, fading, and transfer, making it a reliable choice for daily wear or special events. And finally, at number 5, we have Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Pencil. The Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil is a versatile option that combines the ease of a pencil with the performance of a gel. Loved for its creamy texture and vibrant shades, it's a favorite among makeup enthusiasts. Key features: this eyeliner features a waterproof formula that glides on smoothly without tugging. It's available in an extensive range of colors, from classic black to bold metallics, catering to every style and mood. Benefits and usage: perfect for lining, smudging, or tight lining, this pencil offers endless possibilities. Apply it directly to your lash line for a clean look, or smudge it out for a smoky effect. Its creamy formula ensures effortless blending. Usability: the pencil design is user-friendly and travel-friendly, making it easy to use on the go. Its smooth application and rich color payoff make it suitable for all skill levels and eye shapes. Durability: true to its name, the 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil provides all-day wear. Its waterproof formula resists smudging and fading, ensuring your look stays fresh and vibrant from morning to night. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 eyeliners that combine performance, durability, and ease of use. From liquid liners like Stila and Kat Von D to gel and pencil options like Maybelline and Urban Decay, there's something for everyone. Which one will you try next? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews.